What's up, people on YouTube? Hope you guys are having a great day today. Well, this is what I try to do every trading day that I trade. I break down the stocks that I'm looking at for the day and how I trade them. Pretty much just going over what I look at, the process, and going over my mistakes, seeing how I can do better, and seeing where I can tighten up at. Okay, so real quick before I jump into this, if you want to subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed, so you can follow me and you'll get alerts on when I post these videos. So I was trying to get the chart to expand here and just didn't want to go. But yeah, you'll get alerts when I post these videos explaining what I look for and how I trade. Alright, so jumping right into LMFA here. Nice movement here in the pre-market, good old 80% move here. You can see here it was making some noise, potential support here. Stock never came down here in the early morning, and we got a potential, so you can see we got a potential support area here. Got 3 candles here bobbling around this area between 185 and 190. Let's see if it'll expand out here. Oops. God dang it. There you go. Dang, TD Ameritrade has been getting worse and worse. I don't know if it's my mouse or what, but it's just not as easy to come out of the screen. Is anybody else having a problem with that? Okay, so you can see here we got the movement here, 188, and that's before the market opens. So we're looking at potential areas of support before the market opens. This looks good. This is where I was actually looking at. Around here, around 176, around that area, anything under 180, and it just didn't want to give us that. It wanted to go a little bit early. I got in late here on this candle here. So I could have got in at 186, 87, but thought it was gonna go lower. I mean, went down 8% right out the gates. That was gonna go a little bit lower. But I remembered from Friday, there was another stock, STAF, that did the same pretty similar thing. It went straight down like 11%, bam, straight down, and then it went up. So I decided to get in on LMFA, thinking the stock was going to do the same thing, and luckily it did, because I got in late here on this candle, and it continued on up. Sold early here, sold it around like 202 here, then I got back in 205, rode it up here to, I think, just this move here, missed out on this bigger move here, rode it up here 205 to like 214. Don't exactly have my my notes in front of me, but it was around that area, and that's the only stock I traded, LMFA, today. There's some other stocks that did some good moves, like AYRO did some really good moves. Holy crap, 50% move there, and 50% dump. Oh, only 25%. 25% dump. Wow. But yeah, so big moves there on AYRO, and Rose did some moves here, 25%, 30%, 50% move there too. Missed out on that play, just didn't really see this area of support here. That was going to be a little bit lower. Ended up catching earlier, and once again had a nice dip on the RSI, letting you know that was a buy. And that's how the market is acting right now. It's liking the dips. Alright, let's look at the overall market. You know how I do. Look at the overall market, see how it's doing, and kind of gives us a little bit to look at, you know, depending on the market is going down, how the low cap stock's going to do. Try to take notes, try to monitor that. You can see here just bobbling around a support and resistance area. Potential bull flag here. Potential bullish move, I should say. And that's it. That's it for me, guys. Hope you guys are out there trading safely, out there trading with a plan. Hit that like button for me if you like these videos, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.